Hi everyone! Welcome back to Three Adventure Girls. Today we're going to be picking out the best pumpkin for our perfect pumpkin pie. And this looks like the one. Okay, let's get it and go home. This is going to be our perfectest pumpkin pie we've ever made in our lives. Come on, let's get it. Wow, it's so heavy. Gee, this pumpkin is heavy, but as Mommy always says, the biggest and heaviest pumpkin is the best. Let's do this. Pumpkin pie time. Oh yeah, let's go home. Put it in the trunk and let's go and sit. Woohoo! Okay, now since we got our perfect pumpkin, also known as a sugar pumpkin, we're gonna get ready to bake it. But what we need to do is cut the pumpkin and get its gut out. So let's get started. Okay, first you can cut the stem if you want. We're gonna cut the stem first. La 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 la. This is very stiff. You can do it. Cut the stem. Finally. Now I'm gonna cut this part more. There we go. Okay. Whoa, look at all those seeds. Wow. And also, we don't want these seeds to come to waste now, do we? So we're going to take all these seeds out and we're going to put it in this bowl so we can make pumpkin seeds to eat and enjoy. We like to put it in our toaster and we put a little pinch of sea salt. But now let's get this thing cut out. Okay, I'm going to do this one, you do that half. Well, I'll do this half, you do that half. Whoa! Oh my god, there is so many seeds. I'm gonna put the seeds in, I thought. Whoa. Oh wow, this is so slimy and sticky and big and gooey. Yeah. I hope when Malia wakes up from her nap, she doesn't come and eat those. That won't taste too good. Yeah, because it's not even cooked. But I'm sure we can clean it. So slimy. Oh, look how small this seed is. It's like a baby. Like Malia. Yeah. In her cheeky little ways. Kayla, I think there's something left. I don't see anything. Look a little closer. Yella, you are so rude. It was funny. Since our pumpkins are all cleaned out, we are going to put them in the oven. So you should set your oven to 400 degrees. And you're gonna wanna bake it for 30 minutes. So let's put it here. Okay, we're going to be putting it on this tray. Yes, we are. You will want to put them like this. So the heat will come on here and then it'll go in there. So let's put it in the oven. I can't wait for our yummy pumpkin pie to be ready. Come on, Kayla, right this way. Let me open the oven for you. Be careful. Whoa, it's hot. Be careful not to burn. While our pumpkin is cooking, here are the ingredients you need. You need 15 ounces of a fresh sugar pumpkin, and as you know, our pumpkin is cooking. Or if you don't have a fresh pumpkin, you can use 1 can. Also, you need 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. And you also need 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice, 9-inch pie crust. And yeah, that's all you need. So since we want to make 2 pies, so you can see that we doubled our ingredients. Now that it's baked, it's time to scoop it out.
Yeah,
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You happy, Malia? And this is our baby sister's first time ever making pumpkin pie. So she's excited. She really likes helping us scoop. Yeah. Wow, let's put it in the blender.
I want to.
Try doing it from up here, Malia. You want me to help you? Okay. Scoop. Now put it in my.
You
now
can
put
do
in
it,
my
Malia.
spoon so I can go put it in the blender. You can put it in my spoon.
You can do it, Malia. Don't worry.
Wow. Good job. I love taking this out, and it's so easy now because it came out of the oven. It's a little hot, so we have to be careful. Okay, Malia, make sure you don't spill it. And make sure you don't burn, because this pumpkin is hot. Good job, Malia. Now that we have enough pumpkin to make our pumpkin pie, I'm going to put the lid on and mix in the blender. Okay, that's enough. Time to put all the ingredients in. Okay, time to put the eggs in.
Yay!
Yay, Malia?
Yeah. Cake.
Whoa.
Yay!
This is gonna be big
I
and good.
want to do it.
Put it in.
I want to
Do you want eggs?
do
Eggs?
it.
Do you like eggs, Malia?
I want to do.
Okay, done. Now it's time to add the pumpkin pie spice. Yay! Now I'm gonna put the lid on. Clip and... Okay, that's enough.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Now it's time to add our pumpkin pie mix into the crust.
Yay!
So, now we filled our pie crust up. We have to put these pies in the oven for 40 minutes. Please preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And it's perfect. So we're gonna put it in the oven.
Yay!
Check out the pumpkin pies when they are baked. Don't they look just fabulous and yummy and delicious? And I think you noticed these pumpkin seeds. As you can see, we used every bit of the pumpkins. If you want to know how to make these pumpkin seeds, all you need to do is take the pumpkin seeds and add some salt. Put them on a pan, and you may put them in the oven or the toaster. Yeah. But let's eat these up with some whipped cream and drink some tea.